Hey everybody, it's Amber coming at you from the Skull Shack. Today we're going to make some ink. You need some isopropyl alcohol. I have 70. You can use 90 depending on your project. You're also going to need some empty jars or containers that you don't mind getting inky to keep the ink in. You're going to need a box cutter or something sharp to open up that tube that's inside the marker, because otherwise you'll have a heck of a time getting it out. Which brings me to, I forgot to mention, you probably are going to want a tin snip or a really heavy-duty scissor to cut the marker open once you get the tip pulled out, which you're going to need a needle nose for. Also, don't forget your towel. It gets messy. You might want to have something to cover up your work area also in case you spill. And some rubber gloves. Might want extra pair so you don't taint the different colors with what you have on your gloves. And iced coffee is optional. I'm just going to reuse a jar I already had done blue ink in before, so once you get the tip out, you can try all day with the needle nose and get aggressive, or you could just, cut that. I'm actually doing these colors specifically for a project for a friend out of some upcycled materials, so if you're curious to find out what that's going to be, don't forget to hit that little thumb thing and follow and like and watch, because I promise it's going to be interesting. Do this process for all the colors. You might want to change your gloves in between. The more alcohol you put, the less concentrated your ink's going to be. Just keep that in mind. Don't forget to hit your little button. The like button, follow button, happy, I want to see where this is going button.